What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be making a fake virus. This is totally free. This is the one I made. I'm not gonna let you guys really read it because, like, I don't got enough time. But there you go. This is one that I also made. This one's just a goof around thing. But how you do this? These are very simple. You want to go download Notepad++. It's free, and I'll leave it in the description. It's this little tiny script, and in this script right here, this will be like the title. So like right here, that's the title. That would be what goes here, and the text right here, that would be this thing that says right here. Oh shit. And if we do yeet, this is just me goofing around. We could put like save as. You want to do it to desktop, call it whatever you want. And then you want to scroll all the way down and find this. Oh wait, make sure you put on that S. Make sure you do that, or else it won't work. I'll replace it. Shit. Okay. Let's delete that real quick. God damn it. Alright. Save as desktop gay dot. Alright, here we go. Here it is. This is what we've just created. We've just created this. Let's open it. It says yeet ... There you go. That's simple scripting with VBS, sorry. I'll leave this in the description, and if you're wondering what these are, this would be like if it was like shit. I may have just broke it. Hold on. Oh, okay. If you put this at 48 and this put it to 4 and then click save. Don't worry about this. But you know how it's now a warning thing? Yeah, I'll leave it in the description for like what these codes, like if like 48 equals warning, like I don't know, for example, 64 is information. I'll leave that. And also this is the shit. I forgot. That would be the options right here, like yes or no. 4 is yes or no. I think 3 is yes, no, cancel. So yeah, I'll leave it all in the description, and peace.